The Linux OS and its embedded and server applications are critical components of today's software infrastructure in a decentralized, networked universe. The industry's demand for proficient Linux developers is only rising with time. Hands-on system programming with Linux gives you a solid theoretical base and practical industry-relevant descriptions, and covers the Linux system programming domain. It delves into the art and science of Linux application programming, system architecture, process memory and management, signaling, timers, pthreads, and file I/O. This book goes beyond the use API X to do Y approach. It explains the concepts and theories required to understand programming interfaces and design decisions, the trade-offs made by experienced developers when using them, and the rationale behind them. Troubleshooting tips and techniques are included in the concluding chapter. By the end of this book, you will have gained essential conceptual design knowledge and hands-on experience working with Linux system programming interfaces. What you will learn: explore the theoretical underpinnings of Linux system architecture, understand why modern Oses use virtual memory and dynamic memory APIs, get to grips with dynamic memory issues and effectively debug them, learn key concepts and powerful system APIs related to process management, effectively perform file I/O and use signaling and timers, deeply understand multithreading concepts, pthreads APIs, synchronization and scheduling. Who this book is for hands-on system programming with Linux is for Linux system engineers, programmers, or anyone who wants to go beyond using an API set to understanding the theoretical underpinnings and concepts behind powerful Linux system programming APIs. To get the most out of this book, you should be familiar with Linux at the user level, logging in, using shell via the command line interface, the ability to use tools such as find, grep, and sort. Working knowledge of the C programming language is required. No prior experience with Linux systems programming is assumed. You can buy this book and download it from the link in the description below the video and get discount coupons of up to 50%.